How to log in into Tesla employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to log in into your Tesla employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in Tesla employee portal and press enter. Click on the official link that appears in the search result. This will take you towards the Tesla employee login page. On the login page, enter your Tesla username, then tap on the continue, then enter your password in the provided fields. Then click on the sign in button to access your Tesla employee account. If prompt, complete any verification steps required by Tesla two-factor authentication. And that's it. You are now logged in into your Tesla employee account. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you on the next video.